In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear door handles on your Kia Optima, located on either side of the rear of the vehicle. Let's get started. To remove the outer door handle, we're going to start by removing this grommet. I'm using a plastic trim tool. Go ahead and pop it off. Take it out. And now that's going to reveal a 10mm bolt that we had to loosen. Go ahead and loosen it. Do not take it completely out. Once you get it loose, we're going to come on the other side. On this side of the door, we're going to go ahead and hold on to the door handle. And now we can grab this piece and slide it out. Once you get that out, you can simply hold on to the door handle, and we're going to be pushing it this direction to get it off. To install the new one, you're going to slide it in the same way the old one came out. Once you have it in position, you're going to go ahead and push it this way. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and install this piece. You can simply hold on to the handle, line it up, and now we're going to go ahead and tighten that 10mm bolt. We're going to go ahead and tighten that 10mm bolt. Do not over tighten, because that is going into a plastic piece. Now that we have that tight, we can go ahead and install the grommet. Line it up and push it in. Now just make sure you test for functionality. And that is job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.